Hello guys, another day, another car review na naman tayo. Pero bago ang lahat guys, invite ko muna kayo sa this coming April 17 at saka 18, 2026. Meron kaming event ngayon dito sa showroom namin, the 1D approval. At saka kagandahan dito guys, naka zero down payment. Tulad ng Vios XLE, naka zero down payment. Yung 18 po na hybrid, naka zero down payment din po. Also guys, yung 7-seater na Zenix na hybrid, zero down payment din po. At saka naghahanap ng mga Avanza dyan, pang Grab, naka 8,000 lang ang down payment. At saka also guys, isa po sa naka-promo ngayon ang Hilux GRS. Magkano down payment? 20,000 down payment lang guys. Kaya kung gusto mo lang ganito guys, message nyo ako sa 0926-7526138. At saka ito na rin yung aking FB page, pwede nyo ako direct dito. Saka also guys, naka-Viber ready na rin yan guys. Kaya ano pang hinatay natin? Review na natin tong Toyota Hilux GRX. Let's go!
Kung hanap mo ay pickup na pangporma at pangharabas, heto na yun. Meet the Toyota Hilux GRS 2026. Pero ang tanong, kaya ba nitong patunayan na siya ang hari ng pickup? Alamin natin ngayon. Engine specs. Engine specifications. Engine type. 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel, 4-cylinder, DOHC, 16-valve. Displacement, 2,755cc. Turbo, variable nozzle turbo, VNT, plus intercooler. Max power, around 220 to 224 HP. Max torque, up to 550 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Drivetrain, 4x4, part-time or off-road ready. Number 1, 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. Ibig sabihin nito, malaki ang makina kaya kayang-kaya ang heavy load, towing at off-road. Diesel siya kaya tipid sa long drive at malakas humatak. Turbocharged, VNT. May turbo ito na nagbibigay ng extra power kahit apak ka lang ng konti. Result, mabilis humatak kahit puno ang sakay o paakyat. 550 Nm torque, malakas humatak. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa pickup. Mataas ang torque equals malakas sa akyatan, putikan at hauling. Perfect sa negosyo plus pangharabas. Around 220 plus HP power. Hindi lang pang trabaho, may bilis at performance feel din. Ramdam mo ang lakas kahit overtaking sa highway. 6-speed automatic plus paddle shifters. Smooth ang shifting pero pwede mong i-manual gamit paddle shifters. Mas kontrolado mo lalo na sa off-road or overtaking. 4x4 system, off-road ready. Hindi lang pang city, built ito sa putikan, baha, bundok at construction site. Kaya siya tinatawag na pangharabas na pickup. Windshield. Number 1, laminated safety glass. Hindi basta-basta nababasag agad. Kapag nabasag, hindi siya dudurugin ng pira-piraso. Mas safe sa driver at passengers. Number 2, UV protection or tinted glass. May proteksyon laban sa init ng araw. Less glare habang nagda-drive. Mas komportable lalo na sa long drive. Rain-sensing wipers, depende sa variant. GRS, meron. Automatic gumagalaw ang wiper kapag umuulan. Hindi mo na kailangang galawin, focus ka lang sa driving. Ano meron sa grille? Number 1, blacked out sporty grille. Full black ang design, hindi chrome. Mas aggressive at sporty look kumpara sa ibang variant. Number 2, bold Toyota lettering. Hindi logo lang, naka-spelled out Toyota sa harap. Inspired sa off-road or racing style na GR. Number 3, mesh or honeycomb design. May G pattern or honeycomb mesh design, mas maganda ang airflow plus mas rugged ang dating. Number 4, GR Sport badging. May GR or Gazoo Racing badge sa grille. Signature na performance identity ng Hilux GRS. Number 5, bigger and muscular front design. Mas malaki at mas nakausli ang grille. Gives a wide dominant stance sa kalsada. Ano ang purpose ng grille? Number 1, cooling ng engine. Pinaka-importante. Dito pumapasok ang hangin papunta sa radiator para hindi mag-overheat ang makina, lalo na sa long drive, off-road at mabigat na karga. Kaya may mesh or honeycomb design para mas maayos ang airflow. Full dimensions. Length 5,320 mm, width 2,020 mm, height 1,880 mm, wheelbase 3,085 mm, ground clearance around 279 to 310 mm, cargo bed sa likod, length 1,525 mm, width 1,540 mm, height 480 mm. Wheel and tire specs. Wheel size 17-inch alloy wheels, GR design. Tire size 265/65 R17 radial. Wheel type alloy, lightweight plus sporty. Design GR Sport Style or blacked out or aggressive look. Dashboard and interior features. Number 1, 9-inch digital audio or touchscreen infotainment. Malaking touchscreen sa gitna ng dashboard. May Apple CarPlay at Android Auto na wireless. Pwede mong i-connect phone mo, maps, music, calls. Number 2, digital plus analog instrument cluster. May multi-information display or MID sa gauge. Kita mo fuel consumption, speed, safety alerts. Mas modern at madaling basahin habang nagda-drive. Number 3, dual zone automatic climate control. Separate temp control driver at passenger. Mas komportable lalo na sa long drive. May rear vents pa para sa likod. Number 4, push start plus smart entry. Hindi na kailangang susi. One-click start na agad. Number 5, GR Sport interior design. Premium plus sporty. Leather and suede seats na may GR logo. Red stitching at red seat belts. Gives a sporty or racing vibe sa loob. Number 6, leather steering wheel with controls. May buttons for audio, calls, cruise control. Hindi mo na kailangang alisin ang kamay mo sa manibela. Number 7, wireless charger plus USB ports. Charge ka lang ng phone kahit walang cable. Perfect sa long drive at daily use. Number 8, ergonomic layout plus storage. Madaling abutin lahat ng controls, maraming lagayan, cup holders, compartments. Practical for daily driving. 5-seater, double cab. 2 sa harap at 3 sa likod. Maluwag para sa pamilya o tropa. Komportable kahit long drive dahil sa legroom at headroom. Seat materials. Anong klaseng upuan? Number 1, GRS suede plus leather seats. Combination ng leather at suede or soft fabric. Premium feel plus sporty look. Hindi mainit kumpara sa pure leather. Official GRS material talaga ito. Number 2, GR Sport design or racing style. May GR logo sa headrest. Red stitching at red seat belts. Gives a sporty or racing vibe sa loob. Number 3, adjustable seats or comfort. Driver seat, 8-way power adjust. Passenger seat, manual adjust. Madali mong mahanap perfect driving position. Number 4, rear seats sa likod. Bench type, 3 passengers. 60-40 split folding. Pwede mong i-adjust kung may karga ka sa likod. Rear features, taillights at ano meron. Number 1, LED taillights or smoked and line guide. LED na ilaw sa likod. May smoked or dark design plus line guide pattern. Mas modern at sporty ang dating. Mas maliwanag lalo na sa gabi. Number 2, sporty rear design or GR style. Black accents plus muscular look. Tugma sa aggressive front ng GRS. May GR identity hanggang sa likod. Number 3, tailgate design or pickup function. Malaki at matibay ang likod. Pwede sa kargahan, negosyo, tools, gamit, pang-travel. Kilala ang Hilux sa heavy-duty na likod. Number 4, rear step bumper. May step sa bumper. Madaling umakyat sa cargo bed. Useful sa loading at unloading. Number 5, reverse camera and sensors. May camera at sensor sa likod. Mas madaling mag-park, iwas bangga sa likod. Number 6, rear spoiler and high mount stop lamp. May spoiler sa likod. May extra brake light or high mount. Mas visible ka sa likod kapag preno. Safety features, full explanation. Number 1, Toyota Safety Sense or TSS, Advanced Safety Tech. Ito ang pinaka-main safety system ng Hilux GRS. Kasama dito, Pre-Collision System or PCS, automatic brake kapag may mababangga, Lane Departure Alert or LDA, warning kapag lumalabas ka sa lane, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control or DRCC, automatic adjust ng speed sa harap na sasakyan. Meaning, parang may ekstrang mata ang sasakyan mo habang nagda-drive. Number 2, Blind Spot Monitor plus Rear Cross Traffic Alert. Blind Spot Monitor or BSM, may warning kapag may sasakyan sa gilid. Rear Cross Traffic Alert or RCTA, alert kapag may dumadaan sa likod habang paatras. Perfect sa highway driving, parking sa mall. Number 3, 360-degree camera or panoramic view monitor. Kita mo paligid ng sasakyan, top view. Mas madaling mag-park at iwas bangga. Number 4, airbags, full protection. Driver, passenger, side, curtain shield, knee airbag. Total protection kapag may accident. Number 5, braking and stability systems. ABS or anti-lock brake system, hindi maglalak ang gulong. EBD plus brake assist, mas efficient ang preno. VSC or Vehicle Stability Control.
At yun na nga guys ang specs ng ating Toyota Hilux GRS. Kaya huwag nyo kalimutan guys, this coming April 17 at saka 18 may event kami dito sa Toyota Manila Bay. Kaya pailatan nyo guys, message now. Bye bye!